Yo, what's poppin', Kotini Korner family? Welcome back to another episode of the Kotini Korner with me, Josh Dunn. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are swell, man. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I drop videos nearly every day during the week. And yeah, man, don't forget fashion, sneakers, gaming content is what I do on this channel, guys. So today's episode of Kotini Korner, I just want to go through the stuff that I got, my recent pickups for winter. So I wouldn't say this is recent. We bought it before winter, but it needed tailoring, so we had to get that tailored. And I don't know why we put it off, but we're here now. So I want to show you guys how I styled the Billie Eilish tracksuit. So what I really love about this tracksuit is like a mixture between olive green and brown, which is like really cool. I think that's super dope, man. And the shoes that I wanted to pair it up with these Nike ID dunks that I had gotten with my dad's date of birth back 1958, and I just felt like it worked well because it's like a neutral tone, so it kind of goes well with the outfit, and I think I kind of pulled it off. There were two different variations of how I rocked the outfit. So one was where I didn't wear another accessory, meaning a cap, and the other one when I went to Kicks and Connects, I wore a cap as well, and I think that just did something cool with the outfit in general. So yeah, man, so let's break down this outfit. So we're gonna start with the hoodie. So what I love about this hoodie is minimal, like very minimal detailing. So it's not gonna have the plastered Billie Eilish everywhere. What I do like about this little thing is it's the upside down Nike tick, and it's like it's like almost like off center, which I think is like really cool. And what I really love about this material it's like heavy weighted material. So when you do put on the hoodie, it falls onto you. So it just also shows that it's gonna last you long, and it kind of has like a drop shoulder effect, as you guys can see over here. So it sits nicely on you, and it's just amazing. I want to see if I can find the Billie Eilish logo that they have, and then over here you can see the Billie Eilish logo right over here, which I think is like really cool, man. Like, I love this colorway. And then when you look at the pants, you can see over here, you can see the Billie Eilish logo over here, and you can see that it has this drawstring, it has a scrunchy bottom that is also really nice. So I'm really a fan of that. What I really liked about these pants, as you guys can see, is that drawstring that kind of dangles. It kind of gives off like this essentials kind of vibe to it, like how Jerry Lorenzo does his essentials line. So I think that's super cool. So I really like how it looks, and I like how it sits. As you guys can see in the photos, how it sits on my body is really nice. And I'm really looking at it, man. I think you throw in a nice Jordan bomber with this. The hoodie, what I like about the hoodie is that you can wear it with black cargos, black jeans, and throw in like a black bomber, and it really elevates the outfit. So, you know, layering, guys. Layering, and that's winter for you. It's all about layering, guys. So yeah, man, let me know how you like the outfit. Let me know if you would have paired it with maybe like a white Air Force One, if I can see it but I can't reach it, with a white Air Force One. I think this worked kind of well. I wouldn't complain. I'll rock this outfit again. Like I said, when I did wear it to Kicks and Connect, I did wear it with the gray and white Nike dunks as well that I just showed you guys. So I think it kind of worked for me. It kind of looked nice. It sat on my things. Bear in mind, with my body type, so it tends to like, we just order extra large because I have big quads. But sometimes the extra large is way too big, and I do like the hoodie to be baggier. So I normally just get an extra large hoodie and normally a large pants. But I think this was going for a set, or I don't know why I chose the extra large pants as well. And when I got it, was like, it looked like parachute pants, but like not like the nice fitting kind. It was just overly too big for me. So I had to switch that up, you know what I'm trying to say. So now that I'm happy that it's tailored, let me tell me in the comment section how it fits. Let me know if it does fall nicely. I know a lot of people actually like the tracksuit on my Instagram, but let me know in the comment section where you guys feel it. Would you guys cop this tracksuit? I think this tracksuit was like almost $3,000 or a bit more. I think the hoodie was 1.8 and the pants 1.8, so it's almost like close to like 4K. It's a very pricey tracksuit, but I do believe that, judging by like the heavy material on the pants and the hoodie, it will last you a really long time, like a couple of winters. And that's really what you want when you are going for outfits. You kind of want outfits that are gonna last longer, you know what I'm trying to say. So let me know in the comment section where you guys rate it, man. And this is Josh Dunn. I'll be seeing you guys. I'll be back on another episode of Kotini Korner I, Sneakervault, or Game with Josh. Peace and love.